lows in the lower 30s. Highs in the upper 50s. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Department of Public Safety. This is a child abduction alert issued by the Texas Amber Alert Network. The Austin Police Department is searching for Hillary Salcedo, Hispanic, female, 14 years old, 5 feet 4 inches, 105 pounds, red hair, black eyes, and last seen wearing a blue jean jacket and red shirt. Police are looking for Hector, Hispanic, male, 28 years old, 4 feet 9 inches, 130 pounds, brown hair, brown eyes with multiple tattoos on shoulder, in connection with her abduction. The suspect was last heard from in Austin, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Austin Police Department at 512-974-5250. News media point of contact is Austin Police Department at 512-974-6880. The following is a winter weather advisory for the following counties.